How to create TikTok account on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a TikTok account on your mobile. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, you will see the sign up option. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up. And after you tap on sign up, there are several ways you can create an account. First is by using your mobile number. Second is by using your email. Third, your Facebook. Fourth is you can use your Apple ID too. The fifth is continuing with Google. Now, continuing with the below four is gonna be really easy. You can just tap on it, link your account, and boom, the account's created. So the simplest method is by using your Google account. You can use a Facebook too. Just simply tap on continue with Google or continue with Facebook. I'm going to use my Facebook. After you do so, tap on continue and then just let it load. After you do that, tap on continue and boom, it's done. That is how you can create a TikTok account on your mobile. Now just go through a few of these processes here. Just make sure that you give your correct birthday. After you give your birthday, just wait for it to load. Add your nickname and boom, that's your account. So that is how you create your TikTok account, guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.